I'm a real bitch, real niggas fuck with me. If I ain't sent for you, bitch, then don't come for me. Yeah, I'm getting money, ho, I'm living comfortably. You not a G and took a LY cause you ugly. I'm petty, it's fun to me.
Doesn't that look so good? Yeah, they're about to smash this. So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a really quick, easy chicken and waffles video. I cook this like every other week at my house. You guys always see it on Snapchat. And every time I post it, you guys are asking me to do a quick video showing you guys how easy this is to make. When I say this is so easy, like this meal takes literally like 20 minutes tops. And just so you guys know, you guys was asking me how do I put the strawberries in the waffles. Well, the strawberries are already in the waffle. Focus. As you guys can see, it's Eggo waffles. It's just strawberry waffles. They also have chocolate, blueberry. They have a lot of different flavors, but for the chicken and waffles for the kiddos, this is what they like. Now, I'm not eating this, of course, but this is really quick. You can have it for like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can, do whatever you want to do with your family, but my kids want this for brunch today. So that's what I'm doing. So these waffles go in the oven like midway through the process of the chicken being done. So by that time they're done. And then of course I'm going to do party wings because the kids like party wings versus like chicken wings, breasts, legs. They like the smaller ones and they take no time to fry versus like big wings, big legs, big chicken breasts. They take a very long time. That's why the meal is literally less than 20 minutes. So this is my version of how I cook the kids strawberry chicken and waffles. So I'm about to rinse off the chicken, and the flavor I use is seasoned salt for my chicken. Garlic salt has to have the parsley in it. I put a little cayenne pepper. It's not gonna focus it because I just focused it, but this is the organic cayenne pepper, red pepper. And then I put lemon. Oh my god, it will not focus. Let me just do it like this. Seasoned salt, garlic salt with parsley, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper seasoning, and onion powder. So this is what I use to fry my chicken with. You don't have to use this. It's your world, baby. Do what you want to do. This is just how I cook the chicken. And then I'm going to use canola oil. And then, of course, I'm going to put powdered sugar on it at the end once I fix the plate up and everything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken so you guys can see. You guys, so I just cleaned the chicken off. I rinsed my chicken off with some hot water. Then I clean it with some pure lemon juice. And then I rinse it off again. This is how I clean my chicken. And then I rinse it off with a little vinegar. And then I clean it again. And now the chicken is clean. And I wash my hands. Y'all know I have long nails. So, yeah. So, what I like to do is I go in like this order. You don't have to go in this order. This is how I cook it. So I go in with my seasoned salt, and basically I just do it like this here because I'm gonna toss it. And definitely season your chicken. You don't want no bland chicken. So I go in with, and like I said, I'm going to toss it like so. And I love this. Like I love this. Lemon pepper. Onion powder. I'm only gonna put a little bit. It's kind of stuck. It won't even come out. A little onion powder. I don't know why I be getting stuck like this. Maybe because it's a cheaper brand. And then the cayenne pepper, I only put a little. And And then I'm gonna toss it. And then, and I can only use one hand because I'm filming. Oop, chicken overboard. I'll get it. So basically what I'll do is just toss the chicken like so. And then I'll season it a little more. Can you guys see that? So that the seasoning is on all the chicken. You guys can see once you give it a toss, it's on pretty much all the chicken. And then I'll see like what pieces don't. I'll add a little more. Then I'm going to go ahead and turn my pot on that I'm going to cook the chicken in. Let it get really, really hot. And then I'm going to start to fry the chicken, which you guys will see in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so I'm about to fry the chicken. The grease should be hot. And usually what I do to try to make sure the grease is hot, I just take a fork and just drop it in there. And that's how it should look when you put that flour in there. If it don't do that, your grease is not ready. The worst thing you want to do is put some chicken or anything you frying in and the grease is not hot. So now that the grease is hot, I'm just going to put a few pieces in. Another thing you don't want to do is overcrowd your pot, because then you're going to basically take the temperature down of the grease, and you don't want to do that. That's just like putting the grease in it. I mean, it's just like putting the chicken or whatever meat you're cooking in it, and it's already going to be greasy, because you want to make sure the grease is hot. And you want to make sure you can hear that grease sizzling. And as you guys can see, the chickens are really small. That's why I cook a few, because literally a leg and a wing, like the little drumette part, wingette part, is literally one chicken wing. So I think I'm putting in like 2 more pieces. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll put in 2 more pieces. I still have more chicken to fry because the kids usually eat seconds. So that's how the chicken looks. It may sound good, a little ASMR. Wash my hands real quick. But it's really good. And it's really quick, very simple. Like I said, it only takes about 20 minutes tops. And while the chicken is cooking, usually what I do is I'll go ahead and put the waffles in this pan, as you guys can see, and turn the oven on so it can preheat. And like I said, these are little chickens, so it's not going to take that long. Maybe 15 minutes. I like the chickens to be kind of dark, not black or burnt. They like crispy chicken. So once the chicken has cooked a little more, I'll show you guys. I usually let it cook like this for about maybe 7 to 8 minutes, and then I'll flip it. Even though it's almost being deep fried, as you can see, some of the pieces like here and here, they're not all the way under. So some of them are not being like deep fried. So I'll flip them in about 7 to 8 minutes. Let it cook on that side, and then it's pretty much done. So like I said, I'll come back and show you guys what the chicken looked like once it started to cook and I flipped it over. That's how the chicken looks, and I'm frying more. And once the chicken is fresh out of the grease, I just take a little honey and drizzle on top of the chicken like so. You have to do this as soon as the chicken is done so it can kind of soak in the chicken. But like I said, you don't have to put the honey on there. I'm just showing you guys how I do it. And then now the waffles are about to come out of the oven, and I'm going to fix their plate so you can see how the plate looks once I'm done cooking everything. How it usually looks. And then what I do is I take, let me get it out of the microwave. I melt just a little piece of butter inside of the syrup. And my son likes fresh strawberries on his. And then what I like to do is I take just a fork of like powdered sugar and I just sprinkle it like all over it like this. Like I said, you don't have to. This is just an option. So then it looks like that. And then I put a little on Kalia's. Like so. You can put as much as you want. I kind of know like what my kids like. So Kalia doesn't really like that much. My son actually likes more. So I'll give him just a little more. And then I take the hot syrup and I just drizzle it on it like so. Like that. And they can always add more, but this is just how I give it to them. And then that's how I cook the chicken and waffles. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did and you want more cooking videos, give it a thumbs up. This was a very, very simple, like I can't even believe you guys requested it. It's so easy. And I know a lot of kids would love this meal because who doesn't love chicken and waffles? This is just my version for the kiddos. As you guys can see, it looks so bomb. And then I can probably go back over with a little more powdered sugar so it can stick to the syrup. But yes, like I said, you can use it for, you can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or brunch, like my kids are about to eat it. And like I said, leave some food requested cook videos down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Once it gets to 1,000 thumbs up, I definitely will come back and do another one. 1,000 thumbs up is not hard to do. Like, give it a thumbs up, you guys. I'll do more cooking videos for you guys. And I'll show my face next time. I'm sick right now, so yeah, that's why I didn't show my face. Also, leave any other video requests down below for me to do if you guys want to see. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I would pick it up, but I don't want to mess it up. Let's see if you guys can get it up close. This is how it looks. Doesn't that look so good? Yeah, they're about to smash this. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys do cook this video, definitely don't forget to send me a picture or a video on Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat. Like I said, Snapchat gets first videos on everything. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say. Ain't nobody gorgeous as you are to